Bonjour. Welcome to another simple French conversation for beginners. In this video, you'll hear a short and friendly exchange at a local farmer's market, where someone buys vegetables for a homemade dish. Stay until the end to review key expressions with real examples. Let's get started.
Bonjour, des légumes frais et bio. Good morning, fresh and organic vegetables.
Bonjour. Vous avez des tomates? Good morning. Do you have tomatoes?
Oui, elles sont bien mûres et sucrées. Yes, they are perfectly ripe and sweet.
Elles ont l'air délicieuses. C'est combien le kilo? They look delicious. How much is a kilo?
3 € le kilo. 3 euros per kilo.
Je vais en prendre un kilo, s'il vous plaît. I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Très bien. Et des courgettes, ça vous intéresse? Very good. Are you interested in zucchinis?
Oui, elles sont belles. Elles viennent d'où? Yes, they look great. Where are they from?
Elles viennent du producteur local, tout près d'ici. They come from a local grower, very close by.
Parfait. Je vais en prendre 3. Perfect. I'll take 3.
Très beau choix. Et un peu de radis? Great choice. And some radish?
Pourquoi pas? C'est combien la botte? Why not? How much is a bunch?
Ça fait 1 euro la botte. That's 1 euro per bunch.
Alors une botte, s'il vous plaît? Then 1 bunch, please.
Très bien. Vous cuisinez ce soir? Very good. Are you cooking tonight?
Oui, une ratatouille maison. Yes, a homemade ratatouille.
Merveilleux. Il vous faut aussi des oignons? Wonderful. Do you need onions too?
Ah oui, bien sûr. 2 oignons, s'il vous plaît. Ah yes, of course. 2 onions, please.
Et des herbes fraîches? J'ai du basilic et du persil. And fresh herbs? I have basil and parsley.
Un peu de chaque, ce serait parfait. A bit of each would be perfect.
Voilà, vous voulez un sac? Here you go. Would you like a bag?
Non merci, j'ai apporté mon panier. No thank you, I brought my basket.
Très bien. Ça fait 9,50 €. Very good. That's 9,50 €.
Tenez, 10 euros. Here you go, 10 euros.
Merci. Bonne cuisine et à bientôt. Thank you. Happy cooking and see you soon.
Great job. You just got through a simple French conversation. Now, let's take a look at some of the useful words and phrases you learned, along with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Tomate,
Tomatoes.
courgette,
Zucchinis.
radis,
Radish.
Oignon.
Onions.
Herbe.
Herbs.
Panier.
Basket.
Botte.
Bunch. Verbs.
Prendre.
To take.
Venir.
To come.
Cuisiner.
To cook.
Avoir.
To have.
Vouloir.
To want. Adjectives.
Frais.
Fresh.
Mûr.
Ripe.
Sucré.
Sweet.
Local.
Local. Great job! You've just learned how to talk with a vendor at a market in French, asking about vegetables, understanding prices, and using polite expressions. Don't forget to review the vocabulary and replay the conversation to build your fluency and confidence. We post new videos regularly. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a lesson. À bientôt!